My name is Nismo Nick, and this is Pinnacle Nissan. At Pinnacle Nissan, we do things just a little different. Come with me and let me show you. At Pinnacle Nissan, we don't just sell you a brand new car, we sell you your dream car. You can come down and customize a new car in any way that no other dealership does, because we do it better. And did you know we are the highest volume Z seller in the entire country, and we have the highest volume new and pre-owned Nissan Zs. So if you want a sports car, you know where to go. Another standout here at Pinnacle Nissan is our award-winning service department. Whether you buy an Altima or a Z sports car, we literally have you covered from A to Z. The days of dreading going to a car dealership are over. We promise to value your time and to make sure that your car buying experience is second to none. From everyday commuters to GTRs, Pinnacle Nissan has inventory you won't find anywhere else at any Nissan dealership anywhere in the country. Plus, where else are you gonna find a two-tone Armada Nismo? Nowhere. Pinnacle Nissan, that's where. So if you're looking for a new Nissan or a pre-owned vehicle, you only have one choice in the Valley. That's Pinnacle Nissan, where car buying reaches its peak.